From the raw power of the forest to the pinnacle of industrial purity, witness the transformation of nature into luxury.
In the heart of a sustainably managed forest, our journey begins with a selection of prime timber.
Each tree is carefully chosen by age and quality to ensure the finest cellulose fibers for our premium paper.
Modern forestry technology allows us to handle massive weights with the grace of a surgical instrument. The machine's integrated blades strip away branches and foliage, leaving only the pure heartwood.
This instant processing recycles organic matter back into the soil, maintaining the forest's natural balance.
Uniformity is key for the next stages of production, so every log is measured by laser for exact length. These raw logs contain the high-quality long fibers essential for creating a smooth, tear-resistant paper surface. One by one, the forest's giants are prepared for their transformation into a luxury medium of communication.
Efficiency is the hallmark of our operation, utilizing heavy-duty machinery to move tons of raw material. Powerful hydraulics allow for the simultaneous handling of multiple logs, streamlining the transport process.
Stability and speed are crucial when moving these heavy natural resources toward the transport line.
A fleet of high-capacity transport vehicles stands ready to bridge the gap between the wild forest and the high-tech mill.
Strategic loading ensures the weight is perfectly distributed for a safe journey across rugged terrain.
Securing the cargo is a vital step, protecting both our precious raw materials and the logistics team.
Thousands of tons of wood are transported daily, fueling a production cycle that never sleeps.
The fleet moves with purpose, navigating winding roads to bring the forest's bounty to our world-class facility.
Heavy-duty logistics ensure that tons of raw pine logs reach the processing line while the wood is still fresh. Precision timing is vital. A constant flow of timber is required to maintain our high-speed production cycle.
Massive hydraulic systems handle the heavy lifting, cascading raw logs onto the start of our giant conveyor network. The sheer scale of our intake system is designed to process thousands of tons of timber every single day. This endless river of wood is the lifeblood of our operation, moving toward the first stage of refinement.
Cleanliness begins here, as high-pressure jets ensure that no outside contaminants enter the delicate pulping process. The transition from raw timber to refined material starts with the complete removal of the outer protective layer. Inside this massive rotating drum, friction strips away the bark, exposing the pristine white wood hidden within.
Nothing is wasted in our facility, and the discarded bark is collected and repurposed as clean bioenergy.
The result is a perfectly cleaned log, revealing the long, strong cellulose fibers necessary for premium paper.
Advanced laser scanning ensures 100% purity before the wood proceeds to the next high-speed stage.
Speed and precision are the hallmarks of this stage, preparing the wood for its final structural transformation. High-speed industrial blades shatter the logs in milliseconds, creating uniform wood chips with surgical precision.
These wood chips are the essential building blocks, precisely sized to ensure even chemical penetration later on.
Only the perfect chips move forward, ensuring the final paper product has a flawless, ultra-smooth texture.
Our vast storage systems keep the refined wood chips protected from the elements, maintaining their moisture and quality.
Sorted and refined, these wood chips are now ready to be transformed into the liquid gold of the paper industry.
Quality begins with absolute uniformity. These vibrating screens ensure only the perfect wood chips proceed to the next stage. Advanced optical sensors scan the wood chips in milliseconds, guaranteeing the structural integrity of our final high-end paper.
Thousands of tons of wood chips are funneled into the digester, ready to be cooked at extreme temperatures and pressures. A precise blend of specialized chemicals is added to dissolve the lignin, the natural glue holding the wood together.
The result is a rich, fibrous brown pulp, the raw, powerful foundation of every high.
Now, we must separate the valuable cellulose fibers from the spent chemicals and dissolved organic wood sugars.
Powerful water jets rinse the cellulose fibers repeatedly, ensuring a clean, chemical-free base for the upcoming whitening stage.
Our closed-loop system recycles 98% of the chemicals used, making our process as sustainable as it is efficient. Scalability is key. These massive industrial washers process enough pulp to create miles of premium paper every single hour. To achieve the brilliant brightness of luxury paper, the cellulose pulp must undergo a sophisticated multi-stage bleaching process.
We use advanced oxidation technology, avoiding harsh chemicals to protect the environment while maximizing the fiber's natural strength.
Watch as the remaining lignin is neutralized, slowly revealing the natural brilliance and purity of the treated wood fibers.
This pristine white pulp is the gold standard for high-end stationery and the world's most demanding commercial printing materials. Our specialists monitor the brightness levels constantly, ensuring every batch meets our rigorous, world-class standards for luxury.
Within these sterile white walls, technology and nature combine to produce the purest material for the modern world. Kept in constant motion, the white cellulose fibers remain suspended and ready for the final, high-speed paper-making transformation. With the fibers cleaned and whitened, we are ready to weave them into the smooth, resilient sheets you love.
The bleached wood fibers enter the refining stage, where precision blades bruise each strand for maximum strength.
This mechanical beating increases the fiber's surface area, ensuring a powerful bond for ultimate durability and paper quality.
Rows of high-performance refiners work in perfect harmony to create the internal structure of our luxury white paper.
To achieve a flawless and smooth finish, we infuse the white pulp with ultrafine kaolin and natural starches.
These additives fill the tiny gaps between wood fibers, making the paper exceptionally soft to the touch. We remove every tiny air bubble from the liquid mixture to prevent any pinholes in the final white sheet. This high-tech distribution system ensures a perfectly even flow of white fibers across the entire width of the machine. The white slurry is projected onto a fast-moving mesh wire, where the magic of formation begins in an instant.
Traveling at incredible speeds, the mesh wire drains away the water while weaving the white fibers together. As the water vanishes, the refined white fibers lock into a strong, uniform web of high-performance material.
Powerful suction zones beneath the wire accelerate the drying process, setting the foundation for a crisp white sheet. What began as a liquid slurry is now a continuous, fragile web of brilliant white paper moving at breathtaking speed.
Precision laser monitoring ensures that the thickness is uniform across every single inch of this high-end product.
Our facility is designed for maximum output without compromising the delicate purity of our white cellulose materials.
Highly skilled professionals oversee every second of the run, ensuring the tension is perfect for a tear-free result.
The fragile white sheet is now strong enough to leave the wire and head toward the heavy pressing rollers.
Immense pressure is applied to consolidate the white fibers, increasing the density and smoothness of the luxury paper.
The white sheet now enters the drying phase, where thermal energy will finalize its structure and brilliant white appearance.
In this high-heat environment, the remaining moisture evaporates, leaving behind a resilient and beautifully bright surface.
Our white paper is nearly complete, embodying the perfect blend of natural resources and high-tech industrial luxury.
Extreme pressure is applied to crush the white fibers together, forcing out nearly 50% of the remaining moisture.
As the white sheet passes through these heavy rollers, its density increases, creating a strong and resilient foundation for our luxury product.
Each cylinder is precision controlled to a specific temperature, gently evaporating moisture without damaging the delicate white fibers.
Thermal energy works to set the internal bonds of the white sheet, giving it the crisp, professional feel of a premium material.
Traveling through hundreds of feet of drying zones, the white paper achieves its final, stable form at incredible velocity. With the moisture removed, the white sheet is now ready for its final aesthetic transformation, the luxury finish. To achieve a world-class finish, the white paper must pass through the calendar stack, the ultimate test of smoothness. High friction and extreme pressure polish the surface of the white paper, creating a texture as smooth as silk.
This process flattens any remaining microscopic bumps, ensuring a flawless surface for high-definition ink application.
Automated systems maintain constant pressure, guaranteeing that every inch of the white sheet meets our exacting luxury standards.
The result is a brilliant white surface that feels exceptionally smooth and looks absolutely pristine under any light. Before it leaves our facility, every millimeter of the white paper is subjected to a rigorous laser quality inspection. Advanced laser arrays scan for even the smallest microscopic defect, from tiny pinholes to nearly invisible specks.
Our zero-tolerance policy for errors means only the most perfect white sheets are allowed to carry our brand name.
This precision scanning ensures that the white paper you receive is free from impurities and ready for the most demanding tasks.
Quality is our obsession, and our laser technology provides a level of scrutiny that far exceeds the human eye.
Having passed every test, the white paper is now a masterpiece of engineering, ready for the final winding stage. The continuous white sheet is now gathered onto giant industrial cores, forming the massive reels of our high-end paper.
Tension is carefully managed to prevent any wrinkles, ensuring the white paper remains perfectly flat for its entire length.
Each jumbo reel represents miles of premium white paper, crafted with the highest standards of industrial excellence.
Our journey through the mill is almost complete, as the forest and strength has been transformed into a delicate white medium.
Weighing up to 30 tons, these jumbo reels hold miles of continuous, flawless white paper ready for processing. Precision-engineered cranes lift these giants with ease, moving them to the final cutting and finishing department. In this ultra-clean environment, every roll is handled with care to preserve the pristine white surface we've created.
The journey of the jumbo reel continues, as it's positioned with laser precision for high-speed industrial slitting.
Razor-sharp circular blades now divide the wide web into smaller, specialized rolls tailored for global distribution. Every cut is surgical, ensuring perfectly clean edges that reflect the high quality of our premium cellulose fibers.
From one giant comes many. These specialized rolls are the foundation for everything, from high-end books to luxury stationery.
For our premium office range, the paper is fed into high-speed sheeters that cut thousands of pages every minute. Like a rhythmic dance, the white sheets are stacked with absolute precision, ready for their final branding and protection.
Technology ensures that every stack is perfectly squared, meeting the high demands of professional printing houses worldwide.
A mark of excellence, our luxury lines often feature custom watermarks that signify the purity of the wood fibers used.
Our luxury packaging reflects the quality inside, utilizing high-gloss materials and minimalist design for a premium feel.
Precision sealing protects the moisture content of the white paper, ensuring it performs perfectly in any climate or printer.
The final touch of luxury. Our gold-foiled labels are a promise of the superior performance found in every sheet.
Thousands of reams move through our facility every hour, each one a testament to the power of modern engineering.
Automated packing systems ensure that every box is filled with precision, ready for long-distance transport across the globe. Strength and stability are key, as these pallets are prepared to bring our premium white paper to international markets.
Wrapped and ready, the white paper is shielded from the elements, maintaining its pristine condition from factory to doorstep.
In our fully automated warehouse, self-driving vehicles manage the flow of goods with silent, electric efficiency. From the forest to the road, Our logistics network ensures that our white paper reaches customers while at its peak quality. The final destination, where our engineering meets the hands of those who value the art of written communication.
Excellence is displayed with pride, inviting customers to experience the smooth texture and brilliant white of our paper.
Feel the difference of premium cellulose, a product designed for those who demand nothing less than perfection.
When you choose our paper, you're choosing a legacy of quality, sustainability, and unparalleled industrial craftsmanship.
Ink meets perfection. Our white paper provides the ultimate canvas for your most important ideas and lasting memories. From the heart of the forest to the stroke of a pen, we redefine what it means to create truly world-class paper.
Notice how the ink sits perfectly on the surface, a direct result of our specialized starch and kaolin infusion.
To preserve its pristine quality, always store your premium white paper in a cool, dry environment away from moisture.
Our acid-free process ensures this white paper will not yellow or degrade, protecting your most important documents for decades. Precision cutting in our sterile facility prevents paper dust, protecting your high-end office equipment from internal wear and tear.
The value of this sheet lies in the millions of dollars of technology dedicated to transforming a single tree into a masterpiece.
From professional blueprints to personal letters, the high density of our wood fibers provides a canvas of unmatched clarity.
The subtle watermark is our signature of quality, a promise that only sustainable virgin wood fibers were used in production.
We bridge the gap between nature's raw strength and human creativity, delivering a sustainable product of the highest industrial caliber.